Hi. So I'm not really sure what we're supposed to have entirely done by the time we get around to this recording, but I'll show you what it seemed like we were at, and then we'll work on the enemy shooting when I get in on Monday, or try to finish on Sunday. But here's the general premise. So we have this enemy here who has, he's got move right and move left. This guy's not the enemy. This is my guy here, but I wanted to put the graph on the screen so we could look at just like the state machine. So he's moving right and left and rotating as he turns right and left here. Now I've also set him up to chase me. Oh, he destroyed himself by touching the edge of that blade. Now he's supposed to, now that we've got this extra thing set up, he's supposed to, when he gets done chasing me, he'll go the direction that he was supposed to go, so long as he's not on the edge of his patrol area. So I'm thinking that his edge is, let's watch it for a second. His edge is, oh, that's not gonna work. He got too close to me. Just want to make sure that he does chase and turn on either way. So if he's supposed to keep going that way, then he goes back to moving left, and then it switches back because he was beyond his point. But he will keep going the direction that he was going in his patrol after he loses sight of me, which happens when I jump over him. Now I have arranged the kill boxes and the I've arranged the kill boxes here and the camera to be uncoupled from the player, because originally it was all on one graph. And we've also created for the kill box script, if I get hit, if the tag is detected and it's a player, then it takes me back to wherever my last spawn point was, which gets reset whenever I'm in a checkpoint. If it's an enemy, on the other hand, the enemy will be destroyed, or at least I think what'll happen is the body bit is destroyed. Let's just kind of trick him in here because I disappeared from his movement. He kind of got a little lost there. He's sliding crazily now. I had also a thing set up so that his mass was 50, so I couldn't push him around like this. The problem is that I have to redo his jump force, so that when he chases me, oh, there's a kill box up here too. So when he chases me, he'll be he won't be pushable, but he'll also be able to jump up and down walls. So he will do that still. If I put him back into the level and we begin, he should jump over ledges when he chases me, and he won't have the problem where he was being unparented. So yeah, if he gets to the edge, whether he's doing his patrol or he's decided to chase me, he'll jump over the ledges. He won't be able to jump twice. He won't be able to jump in midair. But he will be able to patrol up and down on top of a slow moving area. And if I can get him to go into the pit, yep, there he goes. He's dead. So yeah, this thing is a little bit weird. I'm still trying to work out a way to tell the camera that if the kill box custom event takes place, that instead of doing what it's doing now, which is a slow drift from place to place, so that it's not as hard to follow. The player doesn't have the camera locked directly to him. It kind of follows him lazily. It ought to set the position immediately to this slightly offset camera position in accordance with the player. But for some reason, this custom event doesn't do this. It will do multiple things, but for some reason, telling the respawn custom event to also force the position immediately rather than do this slow drift thing that we've got going on here. I don't know. I'll have to think about this, try to figure out why this doesn't work. But at any rate, that's where we're at. So that's what I'm going to submit. And if I can figure out the enemy moving thing, actually if I can find the time to work on the enemy shooting thing, then I'll try to get that ready to go by Monday. But anyways, that's it.